Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by protecting your data and reducing load immediately. Start a time machine or clone backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, quit all non-essential apps and unplug external drives to stop background I/O. Then check about this Mac storage to see how full your drive is. If it's over 80%, free space now. Finally, install any macOS and app updates. They often close memory leaks and speed up system processes. Next, dig into resource usage so you can target the real bottlenecks. Open Activity Monitor and sort by CPU and memory. Force quit or uninstall apps hogging resources. Make space by deleting large files and old iOS backups, then empty the trash so the space counts. Clear caches from /library and your user library, but be selective. Removing caches forces rebuilds that often improve responsiveness. Also run a malware scan and review login items to stop apps auto-launching and draining resources. Finish by refreshing low-level settings and verifying hardware health. Reset the SMC and NVRAM on Intel models to clear power and peripheral misconfigurations, then reboot in safe mode to let macOS rebuild caches and disable extensions. Check SSD health in Disk Utility and Reindex Spotlight if search is slow. If software fixes fail, reinstall macOS over your current system to preserve files. If problems persist, run Apple Diagnostics to check hardware. If it flags issues, seek service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.